Welcome to the aardvarkcompare.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's question: is travel insurance really necessary? Well, the challenge for most people is that the support systems that they have at home, like insurance and healthcare, are not necessarily available when travelling without substantial additional cost. And this is where travel insurance comes in, trying to provide similar protections that you have at home when you're travelling. The following are just some of the questions that our customers have asked us. So let's first consider medical emergency and evacuation. You know, these flights with doctors and nurses on board on a private jet or helicopter can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Much better to have the travel insurance pick up the tab. Then we have health and home insurance. This may sometimes cover a few very basic benefits for travel, but they often don't go far enough to be of any real value. And a question we're often asked is, do I really have to insure my entire trip? Well, the answer is no, but be careful if you want to cover a pre-existing condition or have a form of cancel for any reason trip insurance. And on that topic, many people ask, is cancel for any reason worth the extra cost? Well, possibly. The travel plans on Aardvark Compare, which include cancel for any reason, can refund up to 75% of your costs. And you won't have to worry about changing your mind about travelling. You can cancel for, well, any reason. We were also asked, how do I work out my entire trip cost? Well, what's normally a simple task can become complex, especially when you're splitting the trip cost with others. Here we're looking at non-refundable and prepaid items only. The next question we hear a lot is, what is actually covered for trip cancellation? Well, this is quite vast, but trip cancellation is included in every comprehensive travel insurance plan that we have. It's a great benefit if you have to cancel a trip because of a tragic circumstance. Your policy will provide full details of the reasons covered, as it changes very slightly with each of the providers. Go and read the policy on this one for further information. We now turn to a growing concern amongst travellers, and that's identity theft and how to keep safe when travelling. Well, many policies are now including some form of ID theft benefit. We're unsure how frequently these services are used, but certainly travellers are prone to losing documents or becoming victims of theft. The final question we often hear is, what sort of thing isn't covered by travel insurance? Well, if it sounds stupid or dangerous, the chances are it's not covered by a regular travel insurance policy. Now, within the category of things that aren't covered comes a question of pre-existing conditions and waiver. And you needn't be dissuaded from purchasing travel insurance if you have a pre-existing medical condition. Declare it to the insurer, book the insurance early, and obtain a waiver. So there you have it. Is travel insurance really necessary? No, but we recommend you have a comprehensive plan when you travel. And remember, in the US, insurance prices are filed, including the price, so you can rest easy knowing that every price you see on a marketplace like Aardvark Compare is the same price to the cent that you'll get if you go to each of the individual travel insurers' websites. We just save you the time of having to run dozens of separate quotes so that you can concentrate on enjoying your vacation. Safe travels.